live from Brooklyn Museum. First Saturday of the month. Compliments of Target. In support and conjunction of the Black Museum Black List. Compliments of HBO. Question comes to mind. How does it play the impact? Let me properly introduce myself. I am Audacious 127. And I could come out and stay here for an hour and answer that question. I'm going to narrow it down to maybe 2 minutes. How has it made an impact? Former military, Navy, commander, military lawyer, JAG, civilian lawyer, and throughout history, I have basically went through the trials and tribulations of one's mentality. But needless to say, as time has changed, seasons have changed. But it's all based on one's perspective and perception. My attitude and approach about it is about this. Can't we all just get along? Because it goes back to the universal proverb, love your neighbor as you love yourself. Now if that could be done, this world may be a better place. So that's something that we should race towards. But until we can come together, we'll never make it to the finish line. But you can make a difference. Every second you look at this video, you can make a difference. Are you bold and audacious? Or are you weak and humble? You decide. Until then, be well, be prosperous, and always run to the finish line to be in the winning